Alright guys, so this is Panama town and we're gonna walk and see and show you guys how the place look in the town. Alright, so stay tuned, check it out. Alright, so this is the stoplight. We're walk across the stoplight now and here some buy food. Alright, yes, so I'll start back again. I look for KFC and we can't find KFC. We're lost in this place here. And because we also want to see the place look and things, so I'm now walk the direction there. I want to see the KFC look and I want to see how far it is. So join me again, we're gonna walk again now. Guys, so one thing you notice, the building them is extremely tall. Right? So look on this building right now. See? Building them extremely tall. Alright, so we see McDonald's down here, so I don't know if you can see. So we are continuing walking, so we reach KFC. Alright guys, so finally reached KFC, as you can see the sign here. It actually took me about much minutes, 15 minutes. Yeah, about 15 minutes walk from the hotel. So I'm gonna test the food now and see how it tastes. Even though I'm not really eat KFC now.
So we're just trying.
Just I try it. Yeah. Come in.
What?
English.
Él quiere una caja grande extrema con una caja grande.
Alright, so the first thing we realized in KFC, them not come with fork and them not come with straw. So you have to drink outside the cup like this. Chicken like this. For me it tastes savory. Pear oil. Same way them taste, pear oil.